pack with me for our trip to Disney. I'm about to put this little fella to the test, and let's see how much I can get packed in my regular carry-on suitcase. We're going to be gone for a whole week, and so I've got a lot to pack. So let's do it. I'm going to get started very quickly. I'm using the 20-inch bags because that's what fits in my regular carry-on, which is here. Just my regular carry-on. That bag's been all over the world. So let's unscrew, and I'm gonna unzip. Put my extras up here. I'm gonna unzip my bag, and I think this first one I'm gonna do all of my underwear and my socks and my bathing suits. I got new bathing suits for this trip, so put those in here. So I've got a total of 3 bathing suits here. I've got 4 pairs of socks. I've got 8 pairs of underwear. Oh, I can get lots more in there. I think I'll do my bathing suit cover up. Let's see, some tank tops. I think I'm going to be able to fit all of my tank tops in here. So there's 2, 4, 6 tank tops. Okay, because it's a little full, I'm going to actually use the little tools that they give you to zip it to make sure that it's zipped nice and tight. So let's go ahead and get that started, get the zipper started, and then put my little clip on there. I'm just going to pull it straight across. Boom. Zipped. All right, let's do it. Let's see how much space we save here very quickly. Wow. Ah, I love it. Go, baby, go. It's still going. That's crazy. I think that's about everything that can come out of there. Yeah. It's like rock hard. Okay. Let's put that on there. And then let's put this one in my suitcase and let's see exactly how it fits down in there. Oh yeah. I can fit at least 3 of those in here. So let's do a second bag. I'm glad I chose the 20-inch. I think that's perfect for my size carry-on. So let's do one more. I'm going to put all my shorts in here. I've got 2, 4, 6, 7 pairs of shorts. These are like slippery shorts. There we go. Get those shoved away down in there. I've got 2 t-shirts. I've got a dress. You know what? That's a linen dress. I think I'm going to leave that out because here's the thing. One thing I did see is that when your clothes come out of these zip bags, I call them zip suck bags, when they come out, they are pretty wrinkly. So my plan is to use the hangers in the closet and just hang my clothes in the bathroom and let them steam. And then I can just kind of hand press them once they've been steamed for just a while. This dress is just for me to bum around in. So she can go in. And I think that's good. So let's do this one. One last bag. The only other thing I need are my Mickey ears and my bras and my workout clothes. So probably have to do one more bag. All right, here we go. I want to know where the heck this air is going. Oh, I guess it's coming out here, but not very strong. Yeah, this one, I mean, it's every bit of half the size that it was. That's pretty incredible. Turn it off. Oops, that doesn't go on there. That goes on here. Close my lid. And there we go. It's a dress, 3 t-shirts, and 6 pairs of shorts right there. Boom. Now, I still have room down in the end of my bag down here for my tennis shoes, and my bathroom stuff will go up in the top. So I think I will be good to go.